Transcon has always believed in uplifting culture, and this is a very important festival for us. It's a festival of color. It basically signifies the victory of good over evil.
This function is for the unity and for the togetherness of the community.
As Empower, we believe in building, but not only the steel and the structures. We are here to build the relations and the trust.
With lots of colors, because color stands for every color stands for some meaningful. Like red is for love, yellow is for friendship, white is for peace. So when you are colored, you are no one. You are just full of love, prosperity, and when you meet somebody with colorful hands, you go for your friendship.